This is Bharat FM.
बजेगा भारत, झूमेगा भारत.
ये है भारत FM.
बजेगा भारत, झूमेगा भारत.
Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, welcome and adab. You are listening to Bharat FM, a one of its kind, multilingual, eclectic provider of entertainment, information and news to Indian Americans. Headquartered in Cincinnati, Ohio, Bharat FM airs shows out of Cincinnati, Chicago and Phoenix. We take pleasure in our ability to cater to your bhakti, chusti, sfurti, shakti and masti needs with our audio and visual shows. Check out bharatfm.com for our online program schedule and archives. I'm sure the content will definitely tickle your senses. Tune in via the 24-hour web streaming on bharatfm.com or via the Bharat FM app. More information can be procured at 513-488-5070.
दोस्तों नमस्कार, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल, वड़क्कम, वेलकम. आप सभी का भारत एफएम के इस कार्यक्रम में जिसका के नाम है रूबरू में तहे दिल से स्वागत है. मैं हूं आपका दोस्त और आपका होस्ट आशीष झा और आज का ये हमारा रूबरू थोड़ा खास है. जैसे कि हमने ये श्रृंखला शुरू की है रूबरू नो योर आरजे, तो आज जो आरजे हमारे सामने हैं वो एनर्जी की पावर हाउस हैं. आप अगर उन्हें फॉलो करते हैं और अगर आप उनके कार्यक्रम को सुनते हैं तो मैं क्या कह रहा हूं वो आप अच्छी तरह से समझ रहे होंगे. तो इससे पहले कि हम उनसे बातचीत करें, ब्रीफ इंट्रोडक्शन अबाउट वर्षा वालिया. Varsha, a teacher by profession, has been teaching kids of all ages for last 18 years. She owned a successful coaching center at the age of 15. Varsha loves to travel around the world and Switzerland is her all-time favorite holiday destination. Passionate about music, she loves to sing and enjoys different forms of dance like Punjabi folk dance and salsa. Passionate about talking and connecting to people, Varsha feels an opportunity to be an RJ in Bharat FM is a dream come true for her. She was recently invited as a guest speaker in University of California, Davis, to talk about her RJ skills to the students learning Hindi language from different parts of the world. She strongly believes that you attract the energy that you give off. तो दोस्तों दिल थाम के बैठिए और वर्षा की कहानी, वर्षा की जुबान. So welcome Varsha.
Thank you so much, Ashish, for this introduction. So before, powerhouse वाली बात मुझे बड़ी जची है. Thank you so much. And before I say anything else, just would like to say thank you and Manan Bhai, especially because if I am here today talking to you as an RJ, it is just because of you and especially Manan Bhai, क्योंकि हीरे की पहचान तो उन्होंने ही की थी.
सही बात है, सही बात है. वो बात सही है. वो एक ऐसे जौहरी हैं जो अच्छे अच्छे हीरो को अपने पास रखा है उन्होंने.
एक मेरे साथ भी बैठे हैं तो Manan Bhai, watching that, please accept my gratitude. I am so thankful that आपने मुझे पहचान लिया और ढूंढ ही निकाला.
थैंक यू. तो वर्षा, आज का ये कार्यक्रम मेरे और मनन भाई के बारे में नहीं है, ये आपके बारे में है. So let's start with our show and let's start your journey right from the childhood. तो हमें ये बताइए कि आपका जन्म कहाँ हुआ और आपका बचपन कैसा था?
Of course, Ashish, but मैं सोचती हूँ like I have always been like this is I finished my 15th episode of बातें कुछ चटपटी सी and everybody has always they have never seen me, right? I am always Mrs. India kind. So today I thought like just to begin the show, let me begin this like the way I represent myself, the way I mean जो मैं उसके स्क्रीन के पीछे बिना दिखे करती हूँ. Let me start and begin my show like that. So here
please,
I go.
Go ahead.
Hello, hi, namaste and welcome America to Bharat FM. बजेगा भारत, झूमेगा भारत के इस शो में जिसका आज नाम है रूबरू, और मैं हूं आपकी होस्ट एंड दोस्त वर्षा, जो है थोड़ी चटपटी, थोड़ी चुलबुली और बहुत मनचली। सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर हैविंग मी। और जैसे जैसे मैं यहाँ पे आज हाथ पांव हिला रही हूँ, आई डू एग्जैक्टली लाइक दैट। हालांकि मुझे स्टूडियो में कोई देख नहीं रहा होता है, बट वो जब तक आपके जेस्चर से नहीं निकलता ना, वो दिल से नहीं निकलता, एंड इट डजंट गेट कनेक्टेड टू ऑडियंस। सो या, दैट्स व्हाट आई एम। सो आई वाज बोर्न एंड ब्रॉट अप इन दिल्ली, एंड पूरा टिल आई गॉट मैरिड मैं दिल्ली में ही पली बड़ी जन्मी, सब कुछ वहीं पे था। और बड़ा बड़ा फंटास्टिक चाइल्डहुड रहा है मेरा। सेकेंड हाफ वाज लिटिल बिजी, बट बहुत बहुत मजेदार मेरा चाइल्डहुड रहा है। क्योंकि और अब मुझे वो ज्यादा लगता है, क्योंकि कहते हैं ना कि जो बचपन, जैसे मेरे सारे शोज भी रहते हैं, कि जो बचपन होता है वो सबसे ज्यादा प्योर होता है, सबसे ज्यादा मासूम, और वो ना जरूरत था ना कोई जरूरी था वाला हिसाब होता है, तो वो सबसे स्पेशल और प्रेशियस रहता है। तो बॉर्न एंड ब्रॉट अप इन दिल्ली, और सारी एजुकेशन ऑफ कोर्स वहीं थी, और बचपन से ही सिंगिंग का, सब चीजों का, डांसिंग का मुझे बहुत ज्यादा शौक रहा है। और हम 3 बहन भाई हैं, मैं सबसे बड़ी हूँ, बट आई डोंट थिंक कि मैं, मेरी हरकतों को देखी एनीबडी विल लगेगा किसी को कि आई एम द एल्डेस्ट वन। सो बट बचपन में भी वी नेवर, लाइक वी आर 3 siblings, और वी नेवर नीडेड एनीबडी, honestly. We never needed anybody to entertain ourselves. We 3 of us were so enough with each other. My youngest one will be joining us soon, and the elder one, mere se jo chota hai, the younger one to me, we 3, all 3 of us and my dad, we all love to sing. Every evening hamara ek बैठ के होता था सेशन पूरा, and we 3 of us, one would play door, मतलब उसको somebody will bang at the door कि वो म्यूजिक निकालने के लिए, somebody will take कटोरी and चिमटा, and of course one of us will sing. So it was full fun childhood, and yeah, this was basically childhood, born and brought up in Delhi and all that. Yeah.
तो आपका भाई दोनों बहनों के बीच में?
नहीं, मैं सबसे बड़ी हूँ और दोनों छोटे हैं मुझसे।
नहीं, लेकिन भाई बीच में है। भाई आपके बाद भाई है और फिर उसके बाद बहन है?
हाँ, दोनों भाई हैं मेरे बाद।
Oh, दोनों भाई हैं। Sorry, I thought you had a brother and a sister.
I have 2 brothers, and I am the eldest. Only.
Sorry. I for some reason I thought that you have a brother and a sister.
No. I am the only girl, and I have 2 brothers. Both are younger to me.
तो आपकी जो स्कूलिंग हुई वो क्या एक ही स्कूल में आपने कंटिन्यूस फर्स्ट ग्रेड से लेकर 10th ग्रेड?
नहीं, I switched 2 schools, and first was Dayanand Bharati, and second one was girls school. First one from nursery to 9th, and then nursery to 8th, and then 8th to 12th. So yeah, so I mean, I was as a child, Ashish, I was always wanted on stage, or if they did not want me, I always wanted to be on stage. I never ever had any kind of stage fear, any kind of anywhere like I'm losing confidence. I will share a kissa with you yahan pe, like the way I literally wanted to be on the stage all the time. So I think I was in 5th or 6th when cultural event was going on, and I was already selected for theater and dance. And there was one singing selection selection was going on. So I thought to give an audition for that also. So my music teacher recently moved from Punjab.
Okay.
So when she moved from Punjab, she had barely taught us only one song. So she said, okay, we will use this song only for our final the program, cultural event. And the song went like something like that, ye jo kaale kaale baddal hain. And yes, this was ye jo kaale kaale, I still remember little bit, jo kaale kaale baddal hain something. And you know, we Punjabis, I am a hardcore Punjabi by heart. So we Punjabis would always use most of the English words in Punjabi accent only. Like when I say Punjabi also, it doesn't come very in English, Punjabi. No, it will come like Punjabi only. So
Right.
I did not realize that what that teacher was teaching and what I was adopting. So
Okay.
she said, when she was teaching me the song, when my turn came for auditions, she said, "All right, sing." I said, "Ye jo kale kale baddal hai." She said, "It's not baddal. Ye jo kale kale baddal hai."
Wow.
Like, I'm saying baddal only. So she said, she started, you are saying it wrong. Ye jo kale, as she would speak so
Sing.
soft. जो काले काले बदल है, मैंने कहा भाई मैं भी तो ये फ वो ये वही वाला था ना, ये फ नहीं फ है टाइप्स का, तो मैं भी so my friend the one who just left the room, she said कि best of luck, because they all got कि मैं क्या गलत बोल रही हूँ, but I was the only one who was trying to copy as much as possible कि भैया मेरा selection हो जाए, I should get selected. And I was not selected. Then I went out to this, my friend asked me, what is the wrong? What happened? Why didn't you get selected? I said, I'm saying ये जो काले काले बदल हैं, I said the बेवकूफ वो सदारनी है, वो बादल को बदल बोल रही है, and you are copying it. She meant to say ये जो काले काले बादल हैं, but because she was a Punjabi, and Punjabi will say it बदल. So you are copying her. You're not getting what she's saying. She's saying it's not baddal, it's baddal kudiye. It's not baddal, it's baddal. So I was not selected. Story doesn't end here. So I just to get into that on that stage that I have to be here. So once all the selection, the kids who are selected and all that, there was a big music room where we used to sit. She used to sit on a podium with harmonium, and somebody used to be on tabla. And we used to sit on the floor with white sheets, where on the white sheets. So while the class was getting dismissed, she said, "बेटा किसी के घर में washing machine है क्या?" So अब मुझे लगा कि ये तो I have a chance to get into that. Like, although we did have washing machine, but it was not working for last 6 months. My mom used to keep Nolakha sabun and कपड़े धोने वाला साबुन and Nirma packets and all those scrubbers in that. But I said, yeah, we have the biggest machine ever, so I can take these sheets home to wash them. So I had that big bag of there. When I reached home, my mom said, "What is that?" So I said, my music teacher gave three white sheets to everybody to wash. So my mom just said once, "Is she music teacher और उसका चादरों का काम है, दुकान है उसकी कि तुम सारे बच्चों को, how can she give three white sheets to everybody? Tell me the truth. Why did you bring it?" I said, no, I just wanted to help her. And I felt so bad because my mom was so passionate about cleaning and washing clothes. She would wash the clothes till she doesn't see even a single stain on that. So
Right.
she was so much into perfection, like so. And I knew when she will do it, she is gonna kill her arms and all those things. And I till date I feel bad about it. So she did it, and after that I just hang like वो छत पे terrace पे you put the chaddars वगैरह ना. And my mom used to be, I'm missing her today. My mom used to see next door, हमारा जो neighbor होती थी ना, उसके साथ competition होता था. Mrs. Gupta के कपड़े मेरे कपड़ों से सफेद कैसे? Sometimes, but thankfully that day, because that day she didn't do it. If she had done it, I would have felt even worse about it. So she did it, and I folded and ironed the chaddars, like, and folded and gave it. "Mrs. Kaur, these are your white sheets. Can you take one more audition from me?" So, "Beta, audition to kal ho gaya." And I felt like dumping that clothes in the dust and throwing it on her head. And I reached back home. My mom asked me only one question: "Ho gaya tumhara selection?" And I said, "No." So, I mean, just to get on the stage, I would do anything or everything. But yeah, so.
Okay. So you mentioned कि first to eighth you were in a different school, and then ninth grade onwards you were in a girls only school.
Yes.
Was it a girls only?
Yeah, ninth and onwards it's only girls school.
So what did you do in the eighth grade that you were put into a girls school starting ninth?
I didn't do. The problem with is that I didn't do anything in my life like that where you are aiming to. I will come to that story to later part. Like, what did I do in ninth? That previous school was only till 8th. That was the
Oh,
point.
अच्छा. That was the reason. तो
रीजन यही था कि हम सारे बॉयज और गर्ल बिछड़ गए क्योंकि 8th तक का ही स्कूल था वो, और नाइन्थ में जिस स्कूल में डाला वो गर्ल्स का था, तो प्रॉब्लम ये हो गई मेरे साथ। दुखी हूँ मैं।
कोई रीजन नहीं था गर्ल्स ओनली स्कूल में डालने का।
व्हाट डू यू मीन? मैं मेरे माँ बाप तो बेचारे दुखी रहे कि लड़की बहुत ही ज्यादा सीधी है, मैं दिखती ऐसी बहुत शरीफ हूँ मैं।
नहीं, मेरा वो मतलब नहीं था। आई वाज जस्ट ट्राइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड।
आशीष, आई नो यू। और एक चीज मुझे और पूछनी थी आपसे, आई फॉरगॉट, आई वांटेड टू आस्क यू, कैसा लग रहा है मुझे अपने शो में लेके? आई मीन आपको कैसा लग रहा है? आरजे वर्षा इज देयर विद यू टुडे।
अरे व्हाई डू यू थिंक आई एम वेयरिंग दिस शर्ट? एकदम जगमग टाइप, पर्सनालिटी मैच करना पड़ता है, राइट?
आई नो, देखो आई एम 9 से 12 तक कुछ नहीं हुआ, बट राइट नाउ आई एम स्टिल एंजॉयिंग दैट।
Right. Okay. So coming back to your school days, what was your favorite subject, if there was any, and why?
In the beginning, it used to be English, and जिसमें ज्यादा दिमाग नहीं लगाना पड़े, because I was absolutely an average child. बिल्कुल भी मैं brilliant तो छोड़ो, मैं brilliant के आसपास भी कहीं नहीं थी, but I was a kind who will never miss any homework. So, I mean, I would never miss any homework. My parents would never be called to school कि आपकी बच्ची ने ये कर दिया, but I was मस्तीखोर kind always. But I was always done with my stuff. So yeah, so teachers would also love me because they knew कि एक है who will quickly come for all the events, who would last minute maybe if somebody is not there, she would be there to fill that place. और मेरा तो होता था कि सबको निकाल के I only do everything. So that was yeah.
So favorite subject was
English, थोड़ा बहुत maths, and later it was accounts, and I'm in commerce, उसमें हूँ मैं, graduate हूँ. So after in 11th and 12th I took commerce and accounts. So yeah, that उसी में मेरे सबसे अच्छे नंबर आए पूरे 12th तक की, economics और उसमें I got 80+, बाकी सब में I was 70 से 75 76 के बीच में, अब complete पूरा average बचा थी.
So as you mentioned कि you were very fond of getting onto the stage, whether it's music, whether it's acting, whatever, if you are put on the stage, you are the happiest person, right?
Yep.
So did it ever occur to you that I should make a professional career out of it?
अभी मेरे पापा आने वाले हैं, उस पे पूछ लेना।
आने वाले नहीं है, वो हैं ऑलरेडी, वो सुन रहे हैं।
See, just because I was so much into drama and all that, my parents sent me to National School of Drama. So, and I was a student of National School of Drama just to fulfill that passion that I had that time. And for one session, my brother also went with me, but I did 6 months. And Anupam Kher, Nasruddin Shah, Pankaj Kapoor, I took classes from them. Not that they used to come every day, but I remember taking classes from them, 4 or 5 classes, plus couple of, wahan pe FICCI auditorium is there in ITO. We had some shows in FICCI auditorium, but I know my limitations. I know my dad, he's not conservative, but protective, you know. So I knew I can go to fulfill my dreams, to learn something. But that time I knew even if I tell him or tell them, I will not be allowed to go in that stream. Means modeling wali to shakal nahi thi, but movies, serials, I would not have been allowed. No. He would not.
So the NSD happened after your graduation, after college?
No. It happened during my school time.
During your school time?
During my school time. I was there in my school time, not college time. College, I will come to that story also. I never, even when I was in 7th or 8th, I started teaching. So let's have my daddy in, then I will.
Yes, let me have him in. I don't see his video on, but let's see if he can turn it on. Is that your dad?
He's the one. Dave is my brother.
Okay, then I don't see your dad. Then while Dave is here, let's hear from him. You are on mute, Dave.
Hi, Ashish.
Hi, Dave. How are you?
I'm good, sir. How are you?
I'm good too. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, first of all, for joining us today on Rubaru. And in advance, I would like to thank you to say something about Varsha, and I would prefer if you can say something that she would not expect you to say. Let's see if you can do that.
Don't let him open his mouth. I have given him bribe कि अच्छा बोलेगा.
वैसे तो मुझको बोला गया है कि I'll get some dollars, but let's see. I'll wait for your offer as well.
Now
Okay.
he will open that kind of mouth.
Yeah, so I mean, I'm the youngest one in the family, right? And Dee is the eldest. What it means is, जो कहते हैं ना, मेरी तो परवरिश भी इसके हाथ से हुई है.
अच्छा.
It would be a bit of a difficult situation to tell something odd about her, but I will definitely try.
बोल रहे हैं.
कोई एक यादगार किस्सा जो अभी तक जहन में हो, मतलब उस किस्से की वजह से वर्षा को मतलब भूलने का सवाल ही पैदा नहीं होता.
There are many, but what I'm trying to say is the tough part is because, as I said, क्योंकि मेरी upbringing इसके हाथ से हुई है, चाहे मेरा school time की बात हो, I used to sleep while my exams. She used to tell me, Dev, उठ जा पढ़ ले, especially English or maths, right? So that's one thing which has been there with me. आज realize होता है wherever I'm sitting, maybe that is there. I remember all my life, all those turning points, whatever that happened, when Dee was there, that happened in a positive manner. Be it my I remember I studied in a government school. अपना English में हाथ बहुत tight था. So when no, that's true. So whenever I used to go into that, training centers and all, they used to speak in English, and Didi was like, telling me how to speak and what to give in the interview. And likewise, मेरे English वहाँ खत्म हो जाती थी. जितना दीदी ने बताया उसके बाद English खत्म. What to do now? She has been there, right? And when I was doing this, job interviews, nothing was going through. One fine day, somehow Dee came at home. She was married at that point in time. So, I mean, she is married, but she got married when my job was there. So finally, after 7 interviews, she was there and she simply said that, "Ja Dev, aaj teri job lag gayegi." And suddenly it just happened, right?
Oh wow!
It just literally happened. And I can tell you that was 28th August 2006 when she came home and she said that, "You go, your job will be there." So that happened.
You
And when I was
remember the date as well?
Yes, exactly. No, because after long, I got the job, right? And after long, we came at home, and suddenly it happened. So it was like a combination of, stars were there, Didi was there eventually. And then when I was getting married also, I've seen, I don't know how many girls, to be very honest. I was looking good. I look good, I think so. Please support here. But yes, I mean, after all those things, finally I met a girl. I thought, it will be all done. But I realized that when Dee came, suddenly everything all happened. And that was 25th December 2012.
Wow.
11. When she came, and she said that, fine, this is an okay girl. And then when she was not there, I've seen very beautiful girls as well. But nothing happened. So, so if you talk about any specific event, my whole event is around her. So,
Wow. She has always been a very good. She has always been there for you in every situation.
This one was always with me. I mean, no matter what, I was the pickiest eater in the family. And my mom knew, like, मेरी बेटी भूखी रह जाएगी, and all those things कि but माँ को होता है, especially मेरे साथ मेरी माँ was like little, हमारा बहुत ज्यादा था, मतलब every child is like that, but me and mom, and she would never be able to see कि भैया मेरी बच्ची भूखी सो गई. And अगर if she made tindas or ghiyas or something like that, which my mom knew she will not eat, and this one knew she will not eat, so she will say, I'm not hungry, because she knew mom will make something for me, and he knew कि अगर इसको मिलेगा तो मैं भी लूंगा, you know, something. So
Oh,
this one,
okay.
that time also, this one was called कि ये he is always going to sit by her because he will get so many benefits because of me. So
not just that. There have been instances when Mama made tenda and we all threw in that, you know, that somewhere outside we both together went and just threw it, you know, and chupke se फेंक के वापस आ गए saying that we have had.
no,
Right?
there
हमने
is
खा
one
लिया।
more. There is one more. One she made tindas, and my daddy said, he told Mama, let the kids eat because you keep cooking something else for them. So that's why they are not trying even. So
Yeah, right.
my mom was making rotis and I had that tinda and I pretend, Mama, I am eating, and I put it, threw it under the sofa. And the one who is younger to me, the one who's not be joining, he is the most seedha bacha of the family. He is a saint of the family. I mean, he can be taken for granted for anything because he's such as, we both were the gundas of the family, and I was the biggest one. He was mera chela one.
The younger
So,
one.
yeah, so I would say I am eating and I would throw it, and the one who is younger to me, Deepak, he would eat it and he would see that what we are doing. He will never tell mom and dad. This one will say,
Okay.
"तूने फेंका है तो मैं फेंकूंगा." And I used to we have eaten. Next day when my mom used to do jhadu, tindas will come floating down कि भैया ये रे देखो टिंडे तो सारे बच्चे ने
सारे
खाए
टिंडे निकल रहे हैं।
So we kind of have so many
Okay.
things like that.
Just
Okay.
खाने
So-
से एक tweet share करूंगा आशीष, that
हाँ जरूर।
when he is making something, you know, she will always say, बोल भाई कितना खाएगा, जितना खाना है खा ले, चल ठीक है, ज्यादा से ज्यादा एक रोटी खा ले। चल जितना खाना खा ले, चल एक खा ले।
So I always was very, very, very calm chore kind of bacha. So and when if my mother was not well or something like that, so of course वो बेटी वाला, हालांकि they knew she's not going to do anything. They all knew. So what I will do, I'll give them something from my pocket money, go and get from that dhaba or that restaurant from somewhere. Or if वो नहीं, if that chance doesn't, I don't get that chance to get it from outside. So I'll, कौन बताओ भाई, I'm going to make it. Who is going to eat how much? आज मेरा दिल बहुत बड़ा है. You will get whatever you want to eat. बोल दीपक, how many should I make? Bowl. All right, you get one. All right, baby, you get half. 1.5 chapati, you are all done. And I am without food. So that kind of bachpana we have.
So thank you, Dave, for sharing these wonderful memories and the stories with us and our listeners and the viewers. And once again, thank you for coming here on Rubaru. So we will move on. We will move on. We will get your dad here as well now that I can see him. But before we do that, जैसा कि Dave was talking about the specific things that you mentioned to him will happen, and it did happen. I have heard about your Linda Goodman stories.
Oh my God.
What is that?
Actually, that is the Linda. You know what? My life, the irony of my life is that whatever I really do not want in my life, वो शाहरुख खान का एक डायलॉग है, जो चीज मैं शिद्दत से चाहता हूँ वो मुझे मिलती है. For me, it's जो चीज मैं शिद्दत से नहीं चाहता, I get that for sure. I knew. So when I start feeling like I don't want it, I know I am gonna get it. So what happened?
That cannot be true for Bharat FM.
No, that cannot be true for Bharat FM for sure. So Bharat FM also has some story attached to my childhood. I will come to that also.
Oh, really? Wow. Okay.
Whatever is happening to me today, or it's always somewhere or the other related to childhood.
Mm-hmm.
That's why I say, that's why in my shows also I bring all the topics which are close to your childhood, because that is the most happiest time of our lives.
Right.
So when I was in 11th standard, I told you I was a commerce student, and but I always used to be a chapter ahead in that, because I kind of felt bored in that teacher's class. And that time one of my friend every day had a book called Linda Goodman's, which is, I don't know how many of I mean, girls must be knowing that Linda Goodmans is a book of sun signs and love signs, like which sun sign is good with which one.
Yeah.
So, and I was at that point of time, I was too much into it. This one, and my mom knew about it. That
Okay.
Didi is too much into that matching sun signs. So that time, like this is the bench, and there is a small part inside the bench,
Yeah.
for books and all that.
बुक वगैरह
So
रखने के लिए, हाँ.
on the top used to be my accounts book and notebooks, and inside that used to be Linda Goodmans. Because I was always tall, so I was the backbencher. So not
Okay.
because I was a backbencher, but because of then,
The
being
height.
tall and sitting at the back last bench has so many benefits. So I used to sit at the back bench with my best friend, and especially me. She was not into that, but especially me, I used to read, I am a Leo. Leo means I am not good with this. And after the class, my friends will come and I will sit like a Babaji and okay, tell me your कौन सा है तेरे boyfriend का
तेरा sign क्या है? हाँ.
इसका कौन सनसाइन है, उसका कौन सनसाइन है, ये तो बैच नहीं हो रहा, जिंदगी बर्बाद है, छोड़ दे. So that is the story of Linda Goodmans. And other than that, when I was getting married, so and I read somewhere in Linda Goodmans that two sun signs out of that 12 signs are gonna make my life worse if I get married to them. So and those two sun signs, one sun sign was Gemini and second sun sign was Aries. I
Okay.
never read about. आपका क्या है? मेरे boss
Pisces,
का
no. Pisces.
ठीक है, चलेगा. So those two sun signs I used to hate. So, and when I was getting married and all that, like not getting married, when my parents started looking for a suitable match, so Hindustan Times, I remember my dad gave a matrimonial. I used to give matrimonial ad in Hindustan Times. That time, we got a proposal from, and I had only two criteria to get married. Number one, the boy should not be either Gemini or Aries, because मेरा तो जिंदगी खराब हो जाएगा. And second criteria was that I should not get married to in UP. So I have no
UP
clue.
क्यों नहीं?
I have no
UP क्यों
clue.
नहीं?
I have no clue. But UP का I don't know क्या था UP में. But these were the two criterias which they got stuck in my head like anything. So when my daddy gave the matrimonial ad, the first proposal which we got, when I read it, and the excitement to check the mailbox, घर के नीचे letter आए, भैया शादी का रिश्ता है, किसके लिए है? Then when I read it, it said May, not even cusp, proper May, and from first था Ghaziabad, which is right in UP, भैया tag करके फाड़ा, and I was done. The second, again, now Manish's daddy, they also sent matrimonial and we responded to that. And when we sent our proposal, my dad sent up a bada maza tha. Those days were so beautiful. I'll tell you. So my dad sent the proposal to them. They sent it to us. I mean, 3-4 times our ways crossed, mine and Manish's. So, and
Okay.
I cried. I said, Daddy, my mom said, your girl, your child, she's not going to get married to either Gemini, Aries or UP. And once you are getting every week is Gemini and my dad used to say, क्या पागलों वाली बातें करते हो तुम सारा टब्बर मिलके बिल्कुल ही बुखला गए हो तुम क्या ये सच होता है क्या? This is never true. So 3 times mine and Manish's way crossed, and I had in my mind, वो Linda Goodman में लिखा है, I'm not going to be good with
ये तो
Gemini.
चाहिए ही नहीं, ये तो चाहिए ही नहीं for sure.
चाहिए ही नहीं मुझे. And then after third time, I think they sent or we sent, my dad said, enough is enough. We are going to see that boy. And that Gemini boy was none other than Manish.
Oh my God. And he's from Ghaziabad?
And he's from Ghaziabad.
Oh.
He's from so whenever not even that, whenever I don't want anything in my life, बड़ी शिद्दत तो चाहिए ही नहीं. वो तो मुझे that is proven to be the best for me. Like Manish is such an amazing and wonderful person.
So did you stop reading Linda Goodman after that?
मैंने उसके बाद बंद कर दिया पढ़ना. And I was very sure first child I'm going to have has to be Aries. She's a Cancerian, but I was so sure. I was like, Manish, I'm going to meet you once. I told my parents, I'm going to meet him once. अकेले जाऊंगी डेट पे. I'll just see double faces तो नहीं है, dual personality तो नहीं है. So that's always happened with me. Whenever I start feeling na ye nahi chahiye, I know it's gonna happen with me, but I know
So
it's gonna happen for good.
on that note, let's get your dad, and he's here.
Hi,
नमस्ते
Daddy.
अंकल. नमस्ते
हेलो,
अंकल. कैसे हैं आप?
नमस्कार। ठीक है।
तो सबसे पहले तो बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका कि आप हमारे इस कार्यक्रम में आए रूबरू में, और आते कैसे नहीं, बेटी आपकी जान खा जाती फॉर श्योर अगर आप नहीं आते तो
I am feeling very proud of it.
thank you. I mean, we are also very proud of Varsha to have her as one of our very loved RJ on Bharat FM. So thanks for joining us, uncle. तो आप हमें ये बताइए वर्षा के बारे में कि जो जो अभी तक वर्षा ने कहा वो सब सच है, और जो नहीं कहा वो आप हमें बता दीजिए.
जो वो बोलती है वो सच्ची बोलती है. हमारे यहाँ ट्रेडिशन है. झूठ बोलने की ट्रेडिशन नहीं है.
गुड गुड.
झूठ बोलना और बेईमानी करना ये हमारे परिवार की ट्रेडिशन नहीं.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड.
वेरी मच क्लियर अबाउट इट.
तो अब वर्षा के बारे में हमें सिर्फ इतना, मतलब
ऐसा
कुछ
है,
शब्दों में हाँ बता दीजिए.
मैं तो उसका फादर हूं ना.
हाँ.
तो मैं बचपन से लेके उसके पैदा होने से लेके अब तक की बात करता.
अच्छा.
वो जुलाई की बोर्न है, मॉनसून का सीजन होता है.
हाँ.
तो जब मैं इसकी मम्मी को हॉस्पिटल लेके गया, तो जितने बार भी मैं हॉस्पिटल गया, जाते वक्त और आते वक्त, बोथ द टाइम इट वाज रेनिंग, और मैं हर बार भीग जाता था. तो परिवार वालों ने सबने कहा कि इसका नाम वर्षा रखो.
होना चाहिए.
क्योंकि उसने जितनी बार मैं हॉस्पिटल गया और वापस आया, मैं भीगता हुआ ही गया, भीगता हुआ ही वापस आया, इसलिए इसका नाम वर्षा रखो.
वर्षा. थैंक यू फॉर शेयरिंग दैट.
इसकी सबसे बड़ी क्वालिटी ये है कि शी इज वेरी क्विक लर्नर. बहुत जल्दी लर्न करती है. शी स्टार्टेड सिटिंग व्हेन शी वाज 6 months.
अच्छा.
She started standing when she was just 9 months. She started walking and talking just when she was 10 months.
अच्छा.
Talking
And she was like a Barbie doll.
अच्छा.
She was so cute. So हर आदमी जो भी आता जाता इसको विश करके जाएगा. हर आदमी चाहे मैं इसको गोदी में ले लूं. और क्योंकि ये बड़ी जल्दी बोलना शुरू कर दिया था इसने, तो आस पड़ोस वाले भी जाते वक्त इसको आवाज लगाए जाते थे, वर्षा, ये अंदर से बोले हाँ. मतलब इतना ज्यादा इसका अट्रैक्शन था वहां. जिस घर में हम रहते थे वहां कई किराएदार भी थे और भी थे. तो जानबूझ के जाते वक्त, घर निकलते वक्त क्या आवाज लगाए, वर्षा, जहां भी होगी हाँ, ऐसे आवाज वापस कर दो. तो जब छोटा बच्चा ऐसे रिस्पॉन्ड करता है तो बहुत आनंदमय लगता है.
लगता है. हाँ, दैट इज ट्रू.
फिर इसने, आप समझे कि भी छोटा बच्चा इतना छोटा क्यूट और इस तरह से रिस्पॉन्ड करे तो फिर बड़ा बहुत ही खुशी होती है, बहुत मन को बहुत सुकून पहुंचाता है.
सही कहा.
दूसरी इसकी क्वालिटी के भी ये, इसने कोचिंग बहुत अर्ली डेट में शुरू कर दी.
अच्छा.
She was perhaps 15 or 16. तो हम भी, we were having a primary school at our residence. And after school she started coaching.
Very nice.
When school was over, she had her coaching center. And after 12th, she took control of the school. She helped her mother the way nobody can. That is her quality.
That is awesome.
और डर तो इसको बिल्कुल है ही नहीं, मतलब बिल्कुल ही, आप समझे.
हाँ.
क्या बताऊंगा उसका. तो ये इसकी जो है ना, ये इसकी क्वालिटीज में आता है. और जिन बच्चों को इसने पढ़ाया, कोचिंग दी, वो आज भी जहां भी मिलते हैं ना तो पहले पूछेंगे दीदी कैसी है।
अच्छा,
उनके बच्चों के माता पिता भी याद करते हैं,
ओ वेरी
तो
गुड।
पूछेंगे वर्षा कहाँ है, कैसी है, ठीक है ना।
हाँ
तो
हाँ
ये छोटी कुछ ऐसी बातें हैं जो मतलब आदमी के कैरेक्टर को डिपिक्ट करती हैं।
हाँ, सही कहा
शी
आपने,
वाज,
सही कहा आपने।
हाँ ये है उसकी।
हाँ,
तो एज ए फादर मैं तो इतना ही बता सकता
थैंक
हूँ,
यू,
और जो आप
थैंक यू वेरी
पूछेंगे
मच
मैं
अंकल।
उसका जवाब दे सकता हूँ।
नहीं नहीं नहीं, थैंक यू वेरी मच अंकल। सबसे बड़ी बात तो आपने वर्षा की कहानी बताई कि वर्षा का नाम कैसे वर्षा पड़ा, जो हम में से किसी को पता नहीं था। तो थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर दैट। और एक बार और मैं आपसे शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहता हूँ कि आप यहाँ पर आए, और हमें उम्मीद है कि आप हमारा जो अभी और प्रोग्राम बाकी है बाकी का वो भी आप एंजॉय करेंगे।
You see, at this age, I am very reluctant to have such a long journey. It's not possible.
Yeah, thank
That's
you
it.
अंकल, थैंक यू once again. Okay,
Okay.
all right Varsha. So you mentioned that you did your graduation in economics, not in economics, in commerce, BCom किया आपने, I guess, right?
BCom.
Yeah, so where did you do your college from?
I did, Ashish, just like my daddy also mentioned, I started coaching and all that very, very early. So
Right.
I'll come to
Come
that
to the
also.
college. Okay.
Yeah. So when I was in 7th or 8th standard, like my parents used to run, my daddy used to see the office, and we had a triple story building where first floor, a ground, and first we used I told you my mother used to work in American Embassy. So when
Yes.
she left the job, she wanted to do something, and because after moving to our own house, it was a big house, so and we were using only first floor, so my mom, she could never sit idle, like, I mean, she constantly needed to do something. I want to do something, I
Right.
just cannot. And she was educated and all that, so she thought to open her school, and everything was going fine, and but she had developed some health issues when I was in
Oh,
7th or 8th standard. And I wanted to help my mom because I couldn't see it, because she was a perfectionist, I told you, and it's not that she will do something half-heartedly, or so I saw her struggling with so many things. So after my school, I used to help her with the worksheets and
Achha.
so many other like worksheets and lesson planning and correction and all that. And I started loving that. She also used to give coaching to 3-4 kids, because once you have a school, it's easy to get that kind of access. Like you will definitely, because so, and I did not want her to do that either, because it
Oh,
was
okay.
it was taking on
It
her
was
health.
affecting her health. Huh.
It was affecting her health. So, and she herself said, I just want to leave that. I don't want to do it anymore. I said, I was in 7th or 8th standard. I said, you leave it. Let me do it. Let me see if I can do it. She said, no, you focus on your own education. You don't. I said, I will manage that, because I knew that I can handle that. And barely 3-4 kids, they would need only 1 hour or 1.5 hours from me. But I started loving that so much that by the time I was in 12th standard, I left. I asked my mom to leave that and let me handle that. 4 p.m. I used to start, like after coming from my own school, I was in school. 4 p.m. onwards till 10 p.m. I was doing nothing but taking
Teaching.
coaching,
Wow.
but teaching. Yeah. 4 to 6, I would take one group of class 2nd and 3rd. 6 to 8, one group. 8 to 12, 8 to 10, another group. So sometimes now when I look back, I just don't realize. And at that time, I, like my brother said, I would help him also in his studies. So,
Right.
so I when I look back today, I don't even remember how and when I used to do my homework, and I never went back to my school without finishing my own thing.
मैं अभी एग्जैक्टली वही पूछने वाला था कि खुद की पढ़ाई कब करती थी? When were you studying?
मुझे मेरे को याद नहीं आता है कि मैं बहुत सारा होमवर्क तो क्या होता था ना, when you have recess and स्कूल में अपना टाइम है, other than getting on,
अच्छा.
I would try my best to finish it off in
Finish
school.
it over there. Okay.
What's lined up for me at home. So I used to reach back upstairs, like first floor. I started my coaching center, and within 1 year, from those 3 kids, within 1 year, I had 20 kids. Next year, I was giving coaching all by myself. 40 kids I had. For next 10 to 15 years, I was, and that's most of the students I taught are there with me on Facebook.
Oh,
Wish
really?
me-
Wow.
Yeah, wish me. One is in Canada, one is getting married, two have already gotten married. Those who still are there, they have kids, they still talk to me, they still
Wow.
wish me on all the Teachers' Day. So I feel so great about it. So 6 months before I was getting married, after reading Linda Goodman, 6 months before, my mom said, now it's time that we want time, like, because, and coming to my graduation and all, other than my schooling, regular schooling, 2 years which I did my teachers training was regular. And other than my graduation, my bachelor's in education, whatever I did was distant learning. I didn't,
Oh.
because after my
Ah.
12th, I took over my mom's school.
Correct.
Because I didn't want her, because whatever it is, though we had staff, but it was not that on a very, very huge level that we had coordinators and all that. It was my mom and 10 teachers under her, plus my dad, and sometimes my brother used to, but it was a famous school that time. And when the time I'm talking about 15 17 years back from today, that was a different time in India. So
Okay.
that was a primary school which I used to run at that time. So because after 12th, I took over that school. And if I choose to go to regular college, like in person every day, I wouldn't be
Then you
able
would not be able to do this. Yeah.
So-
Correct.
2 years of my regular teachers training, which I did just to understand the basics and all that, I did regular. My B.Ed and all other things like teeny tiny, my child psychology, just to understand, because I think as a teacher, you should know the basics of like kids' behavior. So I
Right.
enjoyed that. That was my favorite subject. Child psychology has always been like reading child, and I read now. It doesn't restrict you to read kids. I read people also. You develop that. You know, sometimes I feel so bad about it that you get so much into observing people, so much that you don't realize that other person is also observing you, that you are observing her. You know what I'm saying? And you know, like, and but you don't do it on purpose. It's not that you are doing like just to do something. Aap dekh rahe ho, because to be a good teacher, you have to be a good observer. If you can't
That is true.
observe a child, if you can't observe what the child needs, because all the kids are not expressive, all
Right.
the kids
Right.
cannot tell you what they need, and sometimes you don't even, if you're not a good teacher, if you don't observe the kids, if you don't develop that habit in yourself, you will not be able to understand a child at all. Is
Right.
this in this country? It's like that, like teachers observe kahin bruises to nahi hai, child abuse to nahi hai.
हाँ.
But in India, यहाँ पे तो बहुत ज़्यादा है, but in India that time it was not the
It
case.
was
But
not there.
that time,
Correct.
and मैं तभी इंडिया अमेरिका के लिए ही बनी हूँ ना, क्योंकि that time also I was doing that.
You're already doing that. Yeah. No, I was just
Yeah.
wanted to mention that last week Nayantara was human psychology. You were child psychology. I'm trying to understand if psychology and RJing has anything to do with it.
Yeah, maybe, you know what, maybe last time also Auntie didn't let you speak. Today also I am not letting you speak, so maybe
okay.
something.
That's okay. The thing is, you have to tell the story. So if I'm not speaking, that's fine. But
I
if
have
you are
already
not speaking, that's a problem.
I have already got a message, you're not letting your host speak. So
That's okay.
yeah, I'm going a little slow, but I don't care. I have to say.
No, that's what I'm saying. This is your time, and you
Yeah.
have to tell the story. If I'm not speaking, that is perfectly fine. You continue.
I know. so you know what happens sometimes when you observe too much. That happens with me all the time. When you observe knowingly, unknowingly, you are doing that, and then
Right.
what happens? People will start feeling that you judge them also.
Mhm.
You know, when like if I am observing you knowingly, unknowingly, and you know I'm observing you, they will make up a mind that she, not because it's not that you will only observe her, you will think of something about it too. That's true. It never, even if I say that no, it doesn't happen, it does happen. And sometimes I have put
You're
myself
right.
in so much of embarrassing this thing, like I felt like, why do my eyes work more than required? I don't need to observe each and every- but it doesn't happen like intentionally.
Huh.
It It
It's just
doesn't
there
happen.
in you. Huh? It's just there
It's
in you. Yeah, it's just
become
there.
part of that. You are
No,
doing that, and it
yeah.
happened with me a couple of times. Like, I used to take Devanshi to a gym center where a parent used to come,
Mhm.
and that parent knew that I am that kind of teacher who will observe. Ki parent, they knew that she is a good observer. She observes everything, like what's going around. So the parent forgot child's leotards, the gym costume, gym dress,
Right, right.
and there was in that gym center there was small shop. Before coming to me, before I could see them, they bought a new dress for her कि वहां पे
Okay.
बैठी है मिस वर्षा, she will observe her that parents dress. Oh my god, I felt so bad. Like, you, even if you think I'm judge them, you don't have to bother for that. I'm nobody. I mean, let me judge you, if you want. If you feel that I'm judging you, let me judge you. Don't be bothered with it. But it's not that you are all the time you're not judging them. You do observe people, but it doesn't happen that I am creating a kind of image for them. But
Right.
yeah, it happens.
So now coming back to your teaching days. Now, when you were growing up, you were very fond of getting onto the stage, acting,
Mhm.
singing, and all that, right? And then, for whatever reason, I mean, you gave the reasons why you started teaching kids, and then you started enjoying that. But at any point in time, you felt that मेरा acting, singing छूट गया, मेरा I'm so that never happened to you. That it never occurred to you.
छूटा कुछ नहीं, नथिंग छूटा तो मुझसे कुछ नहीं, मैंने पकड़ा ही कुछ नहीं. छूटेगा तो तब जब छूटेगा कुछ, तब जब मैं किसी चीज को पकड़ूंगी.
अच्छा.
My basic nature is I don't chase anything which does not belong to me.
Okay.
I knew I never had time to learn singing and all that. I told you, for obvious reason. At the time of when I was 15 or 16, I was earning so much. When kids get pocket money from their parents, I used to give pocket money to my youngest one. Chai pilayega to 100 rupees दूंगी. So, and I was enjoying. And once, I always feels at this age, 15 or 16, once you have that taste of money, once you develop that taste of money, you will not do anything in life.
Yes. Okay.
Because what is life's ultimate goal? Money. I am
You
doing
you
it.
have to be self-dependent, independent basically,
Yeah,
right?
the life
So
is.
the sooner you become independent, the more you enjoy the feeling
Yeah.
about it,
Yeah,
basically.
so I never
Hmm.
thought of learning to sing and all that. And I knew my limitation, that I cannot go to all those drama and acting thing. My parents did whatever to their best of capabilities, that sending her
Okay.
National School of Dance and all. But you know what? Every time something in my head and heart told me that I have to be, because of getting so ready to be on stage, that I wanted that limelight. I wanted that to be a center of attraction, because there was never a lack of confidence in me. But
Wow.
I never knew what I wanted to do. But I always
Okay.
knew I wanted to do something on the creative side. I
Right.
always, but what that was, a kid of a middle class family, a kid of little bit conservative background, dares to dream that
Mhm.
kind of. And I never chase behind anything in my life which I feel is not in my destiny. If it is not there,
Okay.
I'm not thinking
You're
about
not
it.
going to chase about it. Okay.
A
So
piece of
now
my
we will, okay. So we will come back to RJing at Bharat FM. We will tell everybody what the story is behind that. But before we do that, uh, I know for sure that you did think about trying RJing when you
Oh,
were in India. Yes.
yes, yes.
Tell us a little bit about that story.
My cousin is waiting. Can we
Oh
have her
yes,
in?
yes, yes.
She should not.
Is that Anushi?
Anushi Kapoor.
Okay.
Hi,
Hello,
Didi.
Anushi.
Hi,
Hello,
Raja.
Anushi. How are you? How are you?
I'm good. Thank you, Ashish. How are you?
I'm good too. So, where are you right now in India?
I'm
No,
in
she's in
Canada.
Canada.
Oh, you're in Canada. I'm sorry. I'm
Yeah,
sorry.
Toronto.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, are you Eastern time? Are you on the same time zone that we are in?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So, first of all, thank you very much for joining us today. And thank you for telling us a little bit about Varsha I'm telling you thank you in advance because I'm expecting that you will.
बताने की जरूरत है नहीं, क्योंकि
अच्छा
मैं तो खुद ही कई बातें अब समझ में आ रही है मुझे.
अच्छा
She was always a chatterbox, a
okay
star of a family,
okay
and a live wire.
अच्छा हाँ
जिस
वो
जिसको
तो
हाथ
हमने
लगा,
देख लिए.
she is just a live wire. एंड इसका डांस, और जब ये छोटी सी थी, शी वाज अ वाइट बॉल विद अ बिग बिग आईज, सिटिंग ऑन अ चेयर, वेरी क्वाइट, एंड शी वाज ऑलवेज अ डांस.
Okay
एंड इसका
okay
डांस करना और इसका शरारत करना और बोलना, स्पेशली इतना ज्यादा बोलती थी ये. अभी भी का चुप नहीं हुई है. अभी
दीदी
मैं
अभी
सुन
आपको
मैं जो सुन रही हूँ कि इसने कभी एक्टिंग छोड़ी, इसने एक्टिंग कभी छोड़ी नहीं, क्योंकि शुरू से बॉर्न एक्ट्रेस है. एंड एक्टिंग
हाँ
नहीं रहती रहनी चाहिए. ये डे लाइफ में हमेशा ये सिर्फ एक्टिंग करती है.
हाँ अच्छा नहीं
ये
वर्षा
एक्टिंग
और
नहीं है.
वर्षा और बहुत ज्यादा बोलती है, मुझे तो नहीं लगता.
नहीं ना.
आपको कहाँ बोलने दे रही है, मौका मिल रहा है आपको बोलने का.
वही मैं थोड़ा सार्काज्म ला रहा था वहां पर.
अच्छा,
Okay.
अपनी मैरिज में मेहंदी थी, एंड इसकी मेहंदी के दिन हम लोग सब जने बैठे हुए गाने वाना गा रहे हैं. एंड मेरी डॉटर का नेक्स्ट डे बोर्ड का 10th का एग्जाम्स था. एंड इन दोनों ने डांस करना शुरू किया. रात को हम सिर्फ 15 मिनट के लिए गए थे कि 15 डे विल बी देयर जस्ट फॉर 15 मिनट्स, एंड देन वी विल हेड आउट फ्रॉम देयर. एंड इसने वहां पे डांस करना शुरू किया. इन मेरी डॉटर के भी और इसका, दोनों ने इतना डांस किया. सुबह 4 बजे तक हम इसको बोल रहे हैं, कल तेरी मैरिज है, प्लीज बैठ जा, आराम कर ले. नहीं तो, और चाची जी इसको बोली जा रही हैं. और हमारे यहाँ पे कोई कजन का कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं है. हमारे यहाँ पे सब रियल सिस्टर्स है.
we are
अच्छा
just
Yeah, we are just
हाँ
all a big family, like पूरी family is a big family. तो
right
हम लोग जब जाते थे, and my mother was very close to चाचा जी and चाची जी and all these kids. तो जब भी वो दिल्ली जाती थी, we used to live in Kashipur, is a small town in उत्तराखंड. तो जब भी जाते थे तो वापस वो कभी अकेले नहीं आए आज तक. हमेशा वर्षा और दीपक साथ में आते थे एज अ बोनस.
अच्छा
मम्मी घर में आते थे, और कई बार तो ऐसा होता था कि मम्मी खुद ही नहीं आना चाहते थे, कि वहां पे जाते थे, बच्चे सोए होते, सुबह जब उठते थे तो ये काशीपुर में होते थे. तो ये सरप्राइज होते, ताई जी हम यहाँ पे कैसे, क्योंकि मैं वापस कैसे तुम्हारे को लिए भी ना आती. तो वो try to these three, and चाचा जी अब मम्मी डैडी नहीं है, बट हमारे लिए चाचा जी हैं. एंड अनफॉर्चुनेट चाची इज आल्सो देयर, एंड वी वर सो क्लोज टू ईच अदर. एंड ये शी इज पार्टनर इन क्राइम, और मेरे साथ ही नहीं, मेरी डॉटर के साथ भी. ये सबके
अच्छा
साथ, उम्र के साथ में बड़े हो तो उनके साथ बड़ी बन जाती है, छोटी छोटी बन जाती है. इसके
वो बहुत खास बात है.
पर्सनैलिटी
हाँ
बहुत खास
आई
बात
नो
है. और
बहुत खास बात
आपको
है. थैंक
बोलने का मौका देती नहीं. मैं हैरान हुई चुप कैसे है इस टाइम पे.
आपसे डरती होगी शायद. डरती तो नहीं आपसे. वैसे मैंने
अभी
सुना
तक
कि वर्षा किसी से नहीं डरती.
whenever I record any song, whenever I record any song on Smule, first copy goes to her and my dad.
अच्छा okay.
Yes. As soon as I record any song, huh?
For the approval.
For the
For
approval.
the
Sometimes
approval.
for the approval. Didi, how do you like it? Shall I redo it? And she'll say, बहुत अच्छा था. Acting भी बहुत अच्छा था. क्योंकि because I cannot even say a word without gestures. For me,
Right.
a person, if while dancing or while singing, you have seen my videos. So
Yes,
I said,
yes, of course. Yeah.
if you're not enjoying yourself, if your your eyes, your whole, if you're not enjoying it, you cannot sing without expressions, and वो
You're
अंदर
right.
से निकल जाता है.
You're
So
right.
she will also say,
अंदर
acting
से
is not-
इसके डीएनए के अंदर है.
डीएनए के अंदर है.
डीएनए के अंदर है वो. डीएनए के अंदर ही है. मैं हमेशा पूछती हूँ किसकी तारीफ करूँ, तेरी एक्टिंग की कि तेरी
हाँ,
या
सिंगिंग.
तेरे सिंगिंग की.
करके दोनों की एक बारी में one by one do both, because I will not let you go without it. So
अभी आप कोई डांसिंग चैनल खोलोगे ना भारत एफएम में, तभी भी सबसे आगे यही होगी.
हाँ मुझे पता है, पूरा यकीन है मुझे।
आपको निकालना मुश्किल हो जाएगा इसको कि भाई किसी और को भी करने दे।
Yeah,
थैंक
right.
यू।
आपको मैं एक इंसिडेंट सुनाती हूँ। हमारे घर में हमारे एक चाचा जी लंदन से आए हुए थे एंड ये भी वहां पे थी। इसको टेंशन नहीं मिल रही थी। ये तो टेंशन सीकर है, इसको टेंशन चाहिए, बोल बोल के टेंशन लेती थी। तो इसने क्या करा कि ये वहां पे फेंट हो गई ऑल ऑफ अ सडन।
अच्छा।
हम सब हुआ क्या है, पता नहीं मैरिज थी, सम फंक्शन वाज गोइंग ऑन, लाइक ऑल गेट टुगेदर, क्योंकि इसको टेंशन
Appreciating somebody else's acting skills in front of me. I shared this childhood story.
आई थिंक सो। या
They were appreciating
इसको लगा ये
somebody
किसी हो गया।
acting skills.
मेरे
And I was- मेरे
अच्छा।
होते
और इसने वो एक्टिंग करी कि सारे दिनों के पसीने छूट गए। सारे दिनों के पसीने छूट गए, ये पेंट हो गई, ये सब इसके पीछे पड़ गए। अटेंशन जो उसको चाहिए थी ये मिल गई। ये हमारी
अच्छा।
अटेंशन जी का व्हाइट बॉम्ब है ये।
हाँ, नहीं अपने आप को
तो
प्रूव
इसकी
भी करना था कि भाई मेरे सामने किसी और की तारीफ कैसे कर दी भाई।
वो नहीं हम करते थे।
नहीं, thank you very much Anushi for once again for joining and sharing these stories with us and our listeners and viewers.
I don't
Thank
know.
you.
My daughter was also coming on your show. I don't know if she's logged in because she said
Acha.
I'll also come for my Masi. She is her favorite Masi and they are like friends.
Yeah.
अच्छा
I don't
अच्छा
know if she's there. I don't know because she was in a meeting and she said
अच्छा
I'll
अच्छा
also join.
अच्छा who's Adi?
She's
Rishi
Adi.
Kapoor.
Okay, then let
I
me
don't
have her join us. She's on mute. If she can turn the there she is.
Hi, Masi.
Yeah.
Hi, Mummy. Hi, Ashish.
Hi Adi.
Ashish.
Hi Adi. Thank
Haan
you
ji.
thank you for joining today once again.
No,
और,
I had to. It was her, so I had to. No, and like what Mum said, she's my favorite Masi. She's
Okay.
our partner in crime.
Yep.
और मेरी तो
I
क्या
was-
शुरू से मेरी डांस
Yeah, so-
पार्टनर, हम लोग की पार्टी की रौनक, शान स्टार, whatever, like I'll
So
run out of adjectives actually to
that was going to be my next question. Why is she your favorite Masi? Like, what are the incidences that are in your mind that you can share with us?
अभी
that
एक
she's
तो आई
your
थिंक
favorite?
मम्मी नहीं बताया, like on her wedding, she, like अब just I remember मेरे 10th के बोर्ड्स थे and उन्होंने like 1 घंटे में जाएंगे फिर वापस आएंगे, said okay, but as soon as I saw Masi and हम लोग का I think वो favorite song कोई बजा, I forget the song now, and बस फिर हमने जो डांस करा, जो करा, चाहे जो भी, like honestly she's my favorite because she's she's full of life,
Because we know how
always
to
look,
have fun. All three of us
exactly.
know how to have
Exactly.
fun, how to make that boring situation into
हाँ
something.
बिल्कुल no.
So we know she's not a cousin. She never treated me like cousin. I'm younger to her. She
हाँ.
never treated. We are always friends. And this
Yes.
one, even like bacha, she's like my bacha. She's like my friend. She's like
Yeah,
my
she's my everything also.
Very
She's
nice.
my friend,
That's
my
awesome.
sister, Masi, and everything that you call. She's
I was
everything.
Masi mat kaho na.
हाँ Masi नहीं, my cousin,
Masi
my
mat
cousin.
kaho na.
No, but she's gem of a person, and जहाँ पे भी वो जाती है, वहाँ पे रोशनी फैलाती है. So
हाँ, वो
that's how she
वो
is,
बात सही है.
and she's
Yeah.
always been there for me. And बस है दिल का connection Masi.
Yep.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Thank you, Adi. Thank you very much. So, anything else before I let both Adi and Anushi go?
Yeah, we thank you so much. I love you and
Love you.
I love you.
Love you too,
and
Masi.
thank you.
Thank you. All right.
And,
Okay.
make us speak.
Okay.
And first of all, that इसने हमें बोलने दिया.
Thank you once again, Anushi.
yeah.
All right. So, Varsha, now coming to your RJ journey,
Yes.
as I mentioned before, that you did have a dream to become an RJ, right? And there is a story that you have from India.
I did not have a dream to become an RJ. I had a dream to do something in creative field, but I did not know what it was.
Oh, कुछ तो creative करना है, क्या है वो पता नहीं.
Something I wanted to do, but what it was, like I told you, my life has been after 7th or 8th grade till I got married. I mean, 6 months, my mom said, you are not doing anything. We want to spend last 6 months, you are in this house with you. So like I got married in November 20th, and April when the session ends, after that May, June, July, August, September, like those 6 months I left the sessions and I closed that coaching center. I said, if I let it go, my mom will again join it, because so I said,
Right.
namaste, बोरिया बिस्तर उठा और सब अपने अपने रास्ते. So those last 6 months I spent with my mom. But before that, and that I never knew what I wanted to do. I was always busy. What I'm trying to say is, but I always wanted to do, I always knew, because that passion of talking, passion of observing people, passion of getting connected, I know how to have fun. I know, I mean, वो कुछ अंदर से something is there which wants
कुछ
me
है
to,
मेरे में, हाँ
कुछ है, but I don't know what. But I knew if I go there and do something, I'm going to be successful in that. So that time Radio Mirchi happened. That
Okay.
other than regular radio, that वो जो एक जिसमें वो ये गाना लता मंगेशकर की आवाज में और किशोर कुमार की आवाज में गाया, उसके अलावा you got to hear something. So
Right.
so otherwise it used to be वो एक मूवी की स्टोरी चल रही है, अब इसके बाद उसने ये किया, से कुछ अलग हटके आया. And they were auditioning, that time I realized, when I heard that commercial which said, if you have it in you, come and give us interview, something, it went something like that. Still I can hear that. So my parents said, go ahead for that, because I knew that in front of camera and was
उस सबका तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, हाँ.
उसका नहीं है, but this is something you can do. This is something, a good profession. This is something you can showcase your talent, because they also always knew, my parents, कि ये कुछ करके ही मानेगी उसके अलावा. So I gave 2 rounds of interviews and I got selected, telephonic interviews. The third round of interview was, I was called in Gurgaon. I used to stay in East Delhi, and I was called in Gurgaon, which was from East Delhi to Gurgaon. In Delhi की Blue Line bus में 3 hours one way, and चलो वो भी मैं कर लेती. I never chase behind anything. I tell you, मैं किसी चीज के लिए पागल नहीं हो जाती हूँ. तो I always feel, if it is in my destiny, it will come to me.
आएगा मेरे पास, हाँ.
मेरे पास आएगा. If it is there for me, if it is meant to be, it will be. If it is not there for me, I am not going to screw
Not going
up
to chase.
मेरे को, for me, my peace of mind is
most important, हाँ.
Most important thing, I'm not falling in any arguments. If it loses my peace of mind, I am not chasing anything. If it is not for me, if it is there, it will come. So the third round was, I was supposed to go to Gurgaon, and my dad, that time, I think I was in second year of college, and my dad said, okay, he will take me. We used to have Bajaj Chetak then. So my dad said he will take me, और my elder one, he said, वो मेरा बड़ा वाला भाई जो है वो बहुत शरीफ है, हम दोनों गुंडे हैं, he is the best of us, मतलब हम तीनों में से वो सबसे अच्छा है. और yeah, he is a saint. आप उससे कुछ भी करवा सकते हो, और हम जैसे दोनों तो कुछ भी करवा लेते थे उससे. So he said, okay, he will take me, और I said कि I'll go by bus, क्योंकि उसका भी तो कुछ काम है ना. Everybody is not villa for me. So I said, okay. But the date which I got was the date I had my accounts exam. Okay. So, and I knew agar accounts mein, if I get through, I am going to go in third year for sure. I never knew whether, because there will be hundreds and hundreds of people standing there to give interview. 3 घंटे जाऊंगी दिमाग खराब करके ब्लू लाइन की बसों में लटकती हुई. Plus I was not sure how much, for how long I will have to wait there. Minimum, they said minimum 4 hours. Oh, भैया बख्शो हमें, हम उतने पागल भी नहीं है किसी चीज के. तो एक बार के लिए, if I wanted to pursue my passion, so चली भी जाती. But what about my exam? So choice was clear. There was no need to दिमाग खपाओ me कि भाई what I want to pick. I knew.
You knew exactly what you wanted to pick.
I knew exactly. I didn't want to waste my year. So the option was very, very clearly thrown at me by God or by Radio Mirchi, whatever you say. But I really, really, really knew at that time, now this is something I can do. But after that, like again I fell into that. But that time it was clear I am meant for this. And but again, I am not someone who will chase for anything. Again got busy with my tuitions, with my own studies, with this exam, with that exam, with my practicals, with school, फिर coaching, so many things. So I was like, okay, ये बस मेरे लिए नहीं है, जाने दो इसको. So that chapter ended, Radio Mirchi chapter ended there. Now I did not want to go to UP. I went to UP. I did not want to leave Delhi. I wanted to be somewhere near in NCR because my mom was not keeping well, and I used to come and meet her every second day. She
Right.
would feel good to see me, and I always wanted to see her. So at least 4 times a week, Manish used to bring me to see Mama. She was fine. ऐसा नहीं है कि she was bedridden and all. She was fine, but still I wanted to see her. But my third thing which I said, जो मुझे नहीं चाहिए और वो मुझे मिलता है, वो था I did not want to go out of UP now, Delhi UP. I moved to Hyderabad because of Manish's job. So
Okay.
city छोड़ो, शहर ही छोड़ो, पूरा state ही छोड़ दिया.
स्टेट ही छोड़ दिया।
पूरा स्टेट ही छोड़ा. तो आई न्यू बिकॉज आई एम सो एडमेंट कि अब तो यहाँ से जाना ही नहीं है. तो भैया तुम कैसे बोलोगे जाना नहीं, निकलो यहाँ से.
निकलना ही पड़ेगा।
वहां जाने के बाद वही हुआ. लाइक आई मूव्ड देयर एंड माय मॉम expired, or I could not even reach back on time. It took us 9 to 10 hours to come from Hyderabad to Delhi because ekdam se tickets bhi you don't get. So after that I lived Hyderabad bhi chodo, desh hi chhod diya. So uske baad I moved here to States. So that is the whole story. Now I came here after a couple of years. Like I joined job here, and then this lockdown happened. I lost my job in lockdown, and I was scrolling down Facebook page, and I still tell Manish, see, Facebook is not that as bad as it got me Bharat FM. so Bharat, I was scrolling down, then some of my friend liked Bharat FM page or some post.
अच्छा।
So when your friends see Bharat FM post, you will see that, right? That like, so there where when I was reading that post, अच्छा यहाँ radio भी चलता है. So my first reaction was telling, my eyes literally popped out कि अच्छा radio है यहाँ पे. I never knew that Bharat FM existed somewhere here.
Right.
So I saw that post where it said, if you are interested and if you have it in you, मैंने कहा उसकी तो कमी नहीं है, have it in you तो छोड़ दो. So then I saw that post where it gave me Manan ji's number, and without wasting time, I called him. He picked the phone. We chatted for 5-10 minutes, and I was at the best of my confidence and, full on Varsha style. So he talked to me. He spoke to me for 5-10 minutes. All right, I'll give you. We have Ashish Jha, the person who organizes everything, schedules. I will give you his number, and he is going to contact you. भैया मेरा तो दिल ही खुश हो गया. And you know what, my husband is will never be asking me about like what you're going to do, because he knows जो इसको अच्छा लगेगा. He's literally Manchali. She follows her heart. She's not going to do anything which she doesn't want to. But he knew she wants to do that. मनन का फोन नहीं आया, वो तुम्हारे मनन भैया का फोन नहीं आया. He would ask me every second day because I did not. And Manan ji said, start working on your theme so we know what you're planning, so we can talk about it and we will decide. And I was thinking, and भैया फोन ही नहीं आया. I was like, keep my phone यहाँ पे. Nobody called me. He said he's going to give my number to Ashish Jha. I don't know who Ashish Jha is. So who is Ashish Jha भैया? And Manish would ask me, तुम्हारे मनन जी का फोन नहीं आया तुम्हारे मन में? And when your husband takes interest, when he knows that you're so much into something, nobody gave me a call. And again, I used to scroll down, and I also didn't call anybody. मैं किसी के पीछे नहीं भागती.
आप नहीं जाते हो. हाँ, सही बात है.
So though that time I thought now कि कर लेती ना, 1 महीना waste कर दिया मैंने. So I thought, then every day I used to think, what did I tell Manan ji that he did not? I was convincing enough. I was confident enough. I was sounding good. Why didn't he call me? क्यों नहीं? क्या? What thing did I say wrong that he did not give my number to Ashish Jha? And I was that time, first time in my life, I felt little disheartened and little this thing that if at my best of my abilities and capabilities, I just tried to convince that person that I am your RJ for next show, and nobody called me. So then again I was scrolling down Bharat FM page कि क्या चलता है, what shows are there, and just to get to know. Suddenly I was eating my breakfast and Manan ji, are you still interested? मैंने कहा भैया still interested? यहाँ one month I didn't sleep. पहली बार something like still interested. I said, Manan ji, I'm still interested. What are you asking me? I am very much interested. You didn't call me, he said. I was like, Manan ji, you didn't give me Ashish Jha number. Ashish Jha, you didn't give my number. You know, so busy he is. So sometimes it happens. Maybe I'm Manan ji, agar aap sun rahe hain, to ignore. So that's how it. Then you called me. I said now I don't. I told Manan ji now don't delay to tomorrow. मैं कल तक नहीं wait कर पाऊंगी. Ask your call me today. And he said Ashish Jha. Then you called and we talked and immediately it happened. I started working on show. And here I want to mention something, Ashish. When I was planning my show, I strategized because एक महीना था मेरे पास थोड़ा सा सोचने को. I always wanted to have a show where I can involve people in my show. Right. Because I always knew it is not going to be on any serious line. That's not me. I cannot fake around. My show will be something which I am. Like Chulbuli Chatpati Manchali. My child calls me, मेरी चुटपुटी चटपटी मम्मी आ गई घर में. Like that. So when I was planning the show, I was so sure that it is going to be something I am. I'm not going to fake it. It has to be me, real. So that time when I decided that what I am going to involve callers on my theme, my friend, nobody knew me. Who will call me? Where is my base? Who knows me? Why would people call me? I always feel my friends, we have a group here, which we call Desi Mason group. If you are listening, guys, I just give them one message that I am new RJ for this Bharat and this is my theme. Like I started with the dreams fulfilled or unfulfilled and what I'm doing, because that was something I realized now. Yeah, it was a dream. So that time, my friends, when I told them this is my theme, in one call, they all without delaying sent me messages, called me in my show. That when you have that kind of friends, I would like to say Reena, Neeraj, Vijay, Shachi, Mimmi, Sarita, Rakesh, Sakshi, Amresh, Gautam, Pooja Lamba, they all helped me. They all called me. And from there it picked up, but where will I go? Bhaiya, mere ko kisko padosi ko bolungi, mujhe call karo. So till your friends are there, they are so supportive. When your friends are there to support you, you are always going to have a good result. So they all on one call. Even now when I say, bhaiya call kar dena, so they now all are RJ friends. They all like just one call and Ashish Jha or sab, everybody will just. You are so amazing. I'm just loving. अब मैं जैसे मेरी cousin ने बोला अब तुम धक्के भी मारोगे ना, I'm going to stand at the door and I'm enjoying. I'm thoroughly enjoying.
Good. Now we are way beyond our limit of 1 hour.
मेरा तो शो नहीं खत्म होता टाइम पे. I want to talk about UC Davis also.
मैं भी बोल रहा था कि there are two things that I want to do before we end the show. One is your story about UC Davis, and second is your singing. We will end the show with your singing. So, go shoot. UC Davis.
Like I told you, you need to have good friends always who will help you grow. So, a friend of mine, her name is Reena Puri, a very dear friend of mine, always very supportive, always. So, when I started the show, Manish. He is like such an amazing person. What will he do? I will be hosting show. He will sit here with his phone and iPad and record my show like this.
Very nice.
2 hours and record, because I did not know when will it get uploaded. I did not know anything about it. So that time Manish would record because I wanted to hear my show at least for 3-4 shows, that I wanted to hear what did I say, where I can improve.
How can I improve? Yeah, right.
So he would sit and record. Once it happened, Devanshi by mistake disconnected the recording and she was asked, "तो मम्मी मारी डालेगी मुझे?" Manish said, "कुछ नहीं होता, नहीं कुछ कहेगी मम्मी." So they both will sit and record my show. And the recordings, little bit of recordings, I would send to Reena, my friend. This girl has a friend who works in UC Davis. She sent my recording to that lady that she my friend. She's an RJ. She does an awesome job, and she shared that recording with her friends, another professor. She's a professor, Hindi professor in UC Davis, and she shared it with her and other students, and they liked the way I present so much that they wanted to have me in my show. But I was barely 3 weeks old, RJ.
Right, I remember that.
Yeah, convincing power ही नहीं थी कि भैया what will I say about myself? I'm just 3 weeks old RJ. कुछ मतलब शर्म नाम की भी चीज होती है ना इंसान में भैया. What will I say? I told her कि Poonam ji, do you know I am just 3 or 4 weeks old RJ? You said doesn't matter. You don't sound like that. You sound as if you've been doing it for years and years.
For ages, huh?
But still, I said, and I was doing some of my other projects, which I do, like lesson planning and other things. So I was busy also. And I said, I will take some time, Poonamji, if you can wait. So once I was 10 weeks old RJ, I gave her my yes, I am doing it. And I tell you, Ashish, that is the best moment so far in my entire career of teaching. Like, I feel so proud when my friends, when the students call me. But now when that feather in your hat, you say, it's not, I don't feel it any small. It's a big thing. And the cards which those kids made for me, I got plenty of cards from them. I got the video recordings. I got and so many thank you messages. And I did not want to even share that thank you card. I sent it to my friend. She posted it for me. I will post it for you. If you have, when you have good sets of friends, you always want to do. So I would like to say thank you to Reena Puri. It happened because of her only. So
thank you, Reena ji.
Yeah, she's there.
She's there. I can see her. Yeah.
She's also there. The one professor in.
She's also there. Okay.
She's also there. So, and she is, I would say, such a sweet person she is. You will talk to her, you will feel, oh my God, how can somebody talk so nicely and so politely? I literally, and she's in, okay, take your time, Varsha. So that is a kind of, and I told her I'm coming again. She said, you are coming back in spring. So I am there again.
Very nice. Very nice. So, I think we are towards the end of our program, and we all know that you are a good singer as well. Now, few of our listeners and viewers must have seen you in Suno Haan Kaho, which is 4 episodes old right now. We are working on episode 5 and episode 6. And people must have seen you singing, and not just singing, acting as well, as you mentioned.
Yeah. So, I cannot sing with straight face. अगर मैं ऐसे भी बैठ के गाऊँ ना, मुझे लगता है it's so boring यार.
तो ये इंटरव्यू तो अधूरा रह जाएगा if we don't have you sing before we end the show.
और आज टाइम कम है, नहीं तो मेरे everybody knows एक गाने से तो मेरा कुछ होता भी नहीं है. But I will try कि मैं एक गाने में खुश हो जाऊँ. All right. मिल गई आज आसमां से, आ गई आगे में जहां से, क्या हुआ? मिल गई आज आसमां से, आ गई आगे में जहां से, क्या हुआ? उड़ी नींदें आंखों से उड़ी, रातें ख्वाबों से जुड़ी है, जाने मैं कहाँ. उड़ी नींदें आंखों से उड़ी, रातें ख्वाबों से मुड़ी, हो जाने मैं कहाँ. मिल गई आज आसमां से, आ गई आगे मैं जहां से, ये क्या हुआ?
बहुत खूब वर्षा. Very nice. Thank you very much. Now, officially we need to end this, but before I end it, any last few words that you would like to say?
Thank you so much, Ashish. I mean, I will always fall short of words for you. Thank you for always encouraging. मतलब I'm so new, I'm still learning, but whatever others also say, you are such a great person, so easy to talk to, always available. I mean, just a text away. I feel so great. My husband knows you, halaki he's just seen you first time here. My child knows you. So much good things about you. Thank you so much for encouraging. Thank you so much for always. Now, just because I am saying this, guys, I am also coming up with one Punjabi segment, courtesy Ashish Jha. Thank you for that. And I'm trying my best to find good, the people like he's hosting so many shows. पता नहीं कैसे करते हो भैया, धन्य हो, चरण कहाँ है तुम्हारे? So, but yeah, I'm trying to work on the. I am not a multitasker. I am not like you. एक ही शो में मेरा बाजा बज जाता है. So I'm trying. So we are like Bharat FM gives you platform. So I'm trying to bring some good Punjabi singers also. काश मैं एक पंजाबी गाना और गा पाती, but चलो छोड़ दिया.
नहीं गा लो एक पंजाबी गाना अलाउड है.
अच्छा ठीक है, मैंने कहा ना एक से एक गाना होता है, एक से कुछ नहीं होता मेरा. Alright. वे मैं लकी कबूतरी सजना, वे मैं लकी कबूतरी सजना, मैनू हर वेले जे तकना ते कोठे ते लवाले छतरी, हाय वे कोठे ते लवाले छतरी, जिन्ना तेरे प्यार दा तू चोगा मैनू पावेंगा, उड़दिया वांगी चन्ना जिथे भी बुलावेंगा, जिन्ना तेरे प्यार दा तू चोगा मैनू पावेंगा, उड़दिया वांगी चन्ना जिथे भी बुलावेंगा, वे मैं नहीं डरना चिचकना इस जग तो, मैनू हर वेले जे तकना ते कोठे ते लवाले छतरी. I mean, मुझे देखना है तो भैया छतरी लगा लो, क्यों काले हो रहे हो धूप में बैठ के?
अच्छा, very nice. That was awesome. Thank you very much once again.
Thank you.
तो दोस्तों, हमें पता है कि हम इस कार्यक्रम को 1 घंटा रखने वाले थे, but we were enjoying the stories from Varsha so much that we didn't realize the time and we went half an hour over the allotted time. So, but I'm pretty sure all our listeners and viewers must have definitely enjoyed knowing our RJ Varsha Walia. And as she already mentioned that her segment is on every Monday at 7 p.m. Baatein Kuch Chatpati Si. And very soon she will be coming with one of our regional segments. And as you know, on Bharat FM is all about getting all the different cultures and traditions and languages together. And Punjabi is one segment which is missing right now. And as Varsha mentioned, we are working on it. And very soon she will be coming with the Punjabi segment as well. So please stay tuned in, support Bharat FM, provide your feedback and comments so that we keep moving in the direction that we are moving in with your help and support. तब तक के लिए आपके दोस्त और आपके होस्ट आरजे आशीष को इजाजत दीजिए. धन्यवाद, नमस्कार, गुड नाइट.
हंसते रहिए, मुस्कुराते रहिए और बातें कुछ चटपटी सी with me your host and RJ for this show वर्षा के साथ. Bye bye.
Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, welcome and adab. You are listening to Bharat FM, a one-of-its-kind, multilingual, eclectic provider of entertainment, information and news to Indian Americans. Headquartered in Cincinnati, Ohio, Bharat FM airs shows out of Cincinnati, Chicago and Phoenix. We take pleasure in our ability to cater to your bhakti, chusti, sfurti, shakti and masti needs with our audio and visual shows. Check out bharatfm.com for our online program schedule and archives. I'm sure the content will definitely tickle your senses. Tune in via the 24-hour web streaming on bharatfm.com or via the Bharat FM app. More information can be procured at 513-488-5070.
This is Bharat FM.
बजेगा भारत, झूमेगा भारत.
ये है भारत FM.
बजेगा भारत, झूमेगा